Hi, I'm Avinash Gupta, founder of Argentum. We have come up with this Argentum 10 months back in Jubilee Hills, road number 36, and we wanted to give an experience to Hyderabad about the art in silver. Earlier, people used to see silver as a commodity. We said no, silver is not a commodity, it is part of art, and people are appreciating today the art what we are presenting to the city. And we have some exquisite pieces like a grandfather clock which is weighing around 39 kgs, which took almost all an year for manufacturing. We have some stunning Karimnagar art which is very difficult and a dying art from our Telangana, which we want to promote worldwide because this is a very unique art which is done with very thin wire, which people need to understand and appreciate. And the hard work, the kind of workmanship goes into that particular kind of art is very difficult to make, and it is just belonging to Telangana. So I'm proud that we are able to promote this. I am a collector myself, so I had a passion to collections, and that is how I entered into this. As I told earlier also, that people think or see silver as a commodity, but it is not a commodity, and that's the reason we entered into this line.